Not financial advice, just intergalactic trading freedom. So what are DEXLIN Perpetuals? Let's take it step by step. Most traders start with spot markets. You buy tokens hoping they rise in value. Some platforms even let you short, borrowing tokens to sell and buy back later. But in spot, you always deal with the actual asset. Futures take a different route. You don't own tokens at all. You're trading contracts that mirror price movements. Long if you think it'll rise, short if you think it'll fall. But futures expire on fixed dates. Perpetual contracts or Perps evolved from futures. They look the same, but here's the twist. They never expire. You decide when to close, minutes, months, or years later. On DEXLIN, Perps run on a virtual AMM. Instead of needing a buyer for every seller, the system simulates liquidity mathematically. That means you can always enter or exit instantly. The VAM keeps balance. Every long has a short on the other side. The math ensures the market stays fair no matter how many traders enter. With Perps, you can profit whichever way the market moves. Go long if you believe in upside, go short if you see downside, and no expiry dates to cut you off. To keep it fair, DEXLIN uses funding fees. If longs outweigh shorts, they pay shorts, and if shorts dominate, they pay longs. This prevents imbalances and keeps prices aligned. The bigger picture, Perps give you leverage, flexibility, and freedom. No expiry, no centralized control. And on DEXLIN, it's transparent, decentralized, and fully on-chain. Ready to master volatility? Welcome to DEXLIN Perpetuals.